These, I absolutely love these. Use these for my son's toys. I'm so happy I bought these. They're a lot wider than I thought they would be, and they fit so much more than I thought they would fit. And I was a little bit worried about the plastic material, that it would break or crack easy, but it's actually a really good quality. They zip up nice and easy. The zipper's right here, and you can see the lining and the stitching is done really nice. So these should last a long time. Even the material right here is nice material, and they actually fit so much. They expand out. They come, you know, kind of like, you see here, they come like this, and I was like, oh no, they're not going to fit a lot. And then all of a sudden, you know, after packaging and you open them up, you just kind of fan them open with your hand, and they fit so much, I tell you. So I have them set up different colors for different things, kind of organize them for my son. And then even in like this one, I did, you know, little stuff with more, you know, little baggies of things. But just because they store so much more than I thought they would. So absolutely love these and love the quality. And my son like said he can carry them, bring them with him, and go around wherever or to families or something, and he could just bring them right with and then open them up.